In today's video, we are talking about a common question. When can I change my name? I'm Jenny Bradley. I'm the founder of Triangle Smart Divorce in Cary, North Carolina, and I'm going to explain 3 ways you can change your last name in North Carolina. Our legal team has handled hundreds of cases involving name changes, and this is how we've done it. We have assisted people with changing their name after divorce. We have assisted people with a special proceeding to do a name change, and we have advised people to just wait until they got remarried and change their name. So a couple of considerations that you want to take into account when you're thinking about changing your name. Those are, do you want to have the same last name as your kids? That's really important to a lot of people. Do you want to have the same name in your profession? Maybe you've already established yourself in your career and you don't want to, quote, start over with a new name. That's also very important to a lot of people depending upon your profession and career and how well people know you in the field. And also you may want to think about upcoming travel plans. And what we mean by that is it takes a while to get your name changed on all the documents. So if you want to travel and your passport and your driver's license don't match, or your passport and your ticket don't match, this could be a real issue for you getting through customs or security. And so we want to think about the timing of everything. And then after you change your name, you need to know all the places you need to change your name. And those include, but certainly this is not an exhaustive list, those include Social Security cards, driver's licenses, any other licenses you may hold, whether those are personal or professional, passports, banking accounts, other financial institutions, retirement accounts, utilities, insurance, and believe it or not, even the deed to your house. If you own your house in a former name and then you change your name, that can be really confusing to folks at the time of the sale of your house if your legal name now doesn't match the name on your deed. So after divorce, the simplest way to change your name is to go to the clerk's office, fill out a 1-page form which they will sign and notarize and certify a copy of your divorce for you to say that you are eligible to have your name go back to any name that you used before your marriage, including a former spouse's name or your maiden name. And so that's super easy and costs $10 right now in Wake County, North Carolina anyway. And you can go take care of that, and then off you go to the Social Security office to start the name change process. Second way you can change your name after you've gotten divorced is to wait until you are remarried, and then you can assume the name of your spouse at that point in time, if that's what you choose to do. And the third way you can change your name doesn't really have to do with divorce. It can be a method to change your name during the separation period before you are divorced, but anyone who can qualify, I should say, can get their name changed through a special proceeding. It's a complicated process. It's a pretty time-consuming process. It involves fingerprinting and background checks and folks having to do affidavits for you to verify that you are not a nefarious character and so on, but it can be done. If you have additional questions about how to change your name or whether or not you should, please check out a blog I did for a local company called SAS. I'll put the link below in the notes. Thank you for watching.